Welcome back to session 24 of GED Advanced Graphs and Functions, our final session together. Today we pull the whole course into one clear strategy. Recognize what kind of graph you are facing, choose the matching tool, and turn every mistake into a lesson. Let's finish strong, step by step. Mastery begins with recognition. Before solving, name what kind of graph or function you have. Is it a line, a system, an inequality, an absolute value v, a parabola, or an exponential curve? Each family has its own signature shape and its own tools. Naming the family first tells you exactly which method to reach for. Once you have named the family, the tool is decided. Lines use slope and intercepts. Systems use the intersection point. Inequalities use a boundary and shading. Absolute value uses the vertex and distance. Quadratics use roots, the vertex, and the axis. And exponentials use repeated multiplication. Recognition points straight to the method. No matter the family, one routine carries you through. Name the graph. Name the feature the question wants: a root, a slope, an intersection. Choose the matching tool. Solve with organized steps. Then, check your answer against the graph, the equation, and the context. Identify, choose, solve, check. Let's do one. A value starts at 50 and triples each week. Which model fits? Step 1. The starting value is 50. Step 2. Tripling means multiplying by 3 each week, not adding. Step 3, repeated multiplication is exponential, so the model is y equals 50 times 3 to the x. Recognizing multiplying was the key move. The strongest independent learners keep a mistake log. Every time you miss a question, write down the topic, the type of error, the correct setup, and one new habit to prevent it. Reviewing your own errors is the fastest way to improve. A mistake you understand becomes a point you earn. As your final exam approaches, sort your mistake log into categories: coordinate reading, slope, functions, graphing lines, systems, inequalities, nonlinear graphs, and context. Patterns will jump out, maybe slope errors or scale misreads. Focus your last review where your errors cluster. Targeted practice beats random review. 3 final traps. First, do not start calculating before you have identified the graph type. Recognition comes first. Second, do not just review which answers were wrong. Review why they were wrong. Third, do not assume every change is linear. Always check for multiplying. Finish the course with these habits locked in. Let's lock in the whole course. Name the graph family, match it to its tool, run the routine, identify, choose, solve, check, and keep a mistake log to turn every error into a lesson. You now have a complete, reliable system for GED graphs and functions. Be proud of that. Congratulations! You have reached the end of GED Advanced Graphs and Functions. Take a moment to be proud. You started by plotting a single point, and now you can read, graph, model, and analyze every function family the GED will show you. Your final mastery check is the 10 practice questions plus the full course exam. To review any lesson and keep practicing, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. Thank you for learning with me. Now go show that test what you can do. You've got this.